Okay, this corn one is one I've been wanting to try, so I'm gonna give it a try. Looks like it's 15 yuan to get. I don't know what you're gonna get exactly with it, but I'm gonna try it. Just kind of let you know we're in this big Muslim street, Muslim leisure food street, I think it's called. There's a bell tower down there, and we're gonna get one of these right over here. Okay, so these are only 15 yuan. I got 100, so I don't know if they'll even have change for it. But we're gonna see. It looks like they got different spices. So you got this one. Not sure which one to try. They have different ones, so maybe I'll try one. Yeah, maybe yeah. And I just have, this is okay? Yeah. This one, yeah. So it looks like this is basically corn. So they got a bunch of corn, and then I just got a whole bag of it. So we'll see what it tastes like. I don't know what to expect. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we got a whole bag of it. Looks like it's going to be fresh. So we're going to try to find a place to sit. I don't know how well we're going to be able to do that. Actually, I got quite a bit for 15. Kind of curious if it's like a chips or if it's like a food. I'm gonna go over by this bell tower. I think I'll try to find a place to sit over here. And then we'll see what we got in here. So they actually put it in a bag as well, which means I have to carry it around now for the rest of the day, for the rest of the night, or try to eat it all. I'm actually going to try to go over by this tower over here because I kind of want something to drink. Maybe look at this one. Yeah. So I don't know how much this is. Since I don't know what it is, I'm going to try it, give him a 10 and see what happens. And if he needs another one, then we give him another one. But I don't see the price for it. Those are pretty good right there. For some reason I think it's going to be 15, but I just don't really know. It'll be fresh though. How much is it? 15. Thank you. So everything seems about 15. So earlier I got one of those Chinese hamburger things. That was 15. So anyways, we got some watermelon juice and some corn snack. I feel like I need more solid food, but we'll find a place to enjoy this anyways. I think I see a spot right over here. So let's find out what we got here. First, we'll try this one. Fresh watermelon. Tastes like drinking watermelon. Watermelon juice. And then the other one. It looks like this. Okay. That tastes like it's like eating Mexican chips, tostados. Almost everybody's walking by looking at me as I film myself and eat chips and drink watermelon. Okay, anyways. It's spicy. Tastes good though. Yeah, it's really good. How spicy that is. Like that Sichuan. A little bit hot and spicy. Okay. So I'm going to enjoy that. Everybody's stopping to look, so I'll turn the camera towards them and they'll go away. They'll disappear. Okay, anyways. Xian.